allow me to welcome His Excellency, the Deputy President, Mr. Riggy G.
Please be seated. Diana and Bahati, distinguished artists and content creators of our great republic, Netflix partners, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Glad to be here this evening, and I've really enjoyed myself. I hope there will be some more dancing after this. But before I do follow what goes on in the creative world. Let me request all of you to stand up and observe a minute silence in honor of Jambi Koikai, artist and DJ who passed on 2 days ago. Thank you very much. Please be seated. Kindly allow me to read a brief speech as Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, and thereafter say a few things from my heart as Rigichi. Congratulations, Diana and Bahati, for this remarkable first feat. You two have broken unpenetrated borders, placing our country on Netflix through the Bahati's empire, the premier Kenyan reality show in this global platform of entertainment. Our government, led by President William Ruto, is indeed very proud of this achievement. Tuwapigie makofi. From a bleak background and deprived childhood, your valor, vigor, focus, and hard work have given birth to an international star in the creative industry. In just a decade since your debut in music, your growth has been amazing. You are now taking on the globe by storm. For this, my good couple, you are a flame of inspiration to thousands of upcoming and seasoned artists in Kenya, East Africa, and indeed the Africa continent. As we launch the Bahati's empire tonight, we are opening a window and showcasing Kenya's creativity to an audience of more than 222 million subscribers in over 190 countries across the world. With this reality show, we are taking Kenyan content to the world. This is as per our government's plan. Through Talanta Hela, we are investing in growth of the creative industry. The sector is open to unlimited opportunities for our people, especially the youth. That is why, under President Ruto, we are cultivating partnership and collaboration in monetizing the wealth of talent that lies in our youth. We are grateful to the President for being deliberate on development of a favorable ecosystem to support the digital and creative economy through resource mobilization. While Bahati and Diana has pioneered in this reality show, we look forward to more artists conquering the globe for Kenya to have a bite of the multi-billion-dollar creative industry. This is possible through creation of content that not only resonates with the realities of the contemporary global society, but also one that preserves, promotes, and projects our values and norms as a people. We have a moment to showcase what Kenya has to offer, the world of entertainment through clean, captivating, informative, and highly influential content. To Bahati, as you take on the world, our administration wishes you all the best and looks forward to your mentorship to other artists. On this note, I invite all of you, by clapping heavily, to join me in celebrating the Bahati's empire on Netflix. Asante sana. I'm here tonight because I was informed of this function last night. I was in the village. You know, I like staying in the village. And when I was told of this event, I traveled back to the city to be with our young people, to be with our content creators, to be with our artists, to tell them that Kenya loves you. You are great people. You don't know what you do to our heart and souls. Every human being needs entertainment. And you guys go out of your way to be creative, to think through, and come up with art of work to keep people laughing and happy. I salute you. President William Ruto and I are believers in our young people. We have tremendous respect for our young people. They are the present and the future of this country. And our society needs you. And as I speak to this gathering, I'm thrilled to sit among great minds, creative people, people who sit through to think, to come up with an art of work that make other people happy. Life is about happiness. We all live to be happy. And you people, God has given you a gift to make other people happy. Please utilize it well, and if it makes you some money along the way, hallelujah. I was told not to give any advice to Bahati, so let me give it to the other artists who are here. One, please, as you create content, as you entertain other people, please know that as a society we have certain values that are dear to us. We are family people, and I'm happy most of you have families. Bahati is an example. Remember that we have children, young ones, who will watch your show. What are you telling them? How are you preparing them for life? So as much as you want to entertain us, be mindful of our young children and come up with scripts that don't corrupt the values of our young children. That is my request to you as our content creators, to know that also as a country we have certain traditions, we have a culture, and in your creativity, think through how to uphold the things that we hold dear as a country. Number two, as artists, I appeal to you, please keep off drugs and other substances that are harmful to your health and to your mental well-being. Take care of yourself. Your mental stability, your physical well-being is critical for your success and your future. Let us keep off drugs, and let us also go out of our way to create content that tells society the dangers of abusing drugs and alcohol. You'll have played a very important role in stabilizing our society. You guys make good money. Money is good. I know we the Kikuyus have been accused of loving money too much. But all Kenyans and all people in the world love money. But money is useless. It's just legal tender. Money is only useful in what it can do to get you happiness. When you are young and enterprising, you make money. But one day you'll grow old and you'll not be able to make more money. Please invest wisely in the money that you make when you are young and creative. I am very encouraged that Bahati is one of the leading artists who has been able to build a palatial home for his family through the income he gets from his works of art. I encourage all artists to aspire to own homes. You cannot be a great performer with such a huge following, yet the landlord keeps on knocking your door on every 5th of every month. It is not right, it is wrong. Buy yourself a good plot and put up a home, so that one day you can tell your children and your grandchildren that out of my creative prowess given to me by God for free, I was able to put up a decent home for you. That's my advice to you. Bahati and the rest of you, Prezo and all the others, nameless. By the way, Prezo, I'm your fan. I listen to your music. And by the way, many people don't know me. Mimi ni mtu ya muziki. I love music because it's soothing to the heart and the soul. You guys, when you get up there, please remember to hold the hand of those who helped you go up. Ukifika pale juu, usikae hapo peke yako. Tafuta mtu mmoja bili alikusukuma ukienda juu na wewe pia umuinue. That's why I salute Bahati for taking a child from the children's home and adopting and making that child live where he lives. Many people, when they get up, they forget the journey. For you artists, I encourage you, if somebody played a small role in you getting up there, when you get up there, please don't forget those who helped you to get there. Mentor a few other people, help a few other people to be where you are. That is why in Bahati's empire, you involved so many other artists who have worked with you through your journey. Congratulations. Finally, most of you artists, like us politicians, go through hell through cyberbullying. I know, I follow. Most artists here have been bullied. Some even get depressed. Please, ignore the bullying. In my community, there is a saying that a fruit without trees will never attract any stones from boys. The higher you go, the more the bullying. The more successful you are, the more the envious people around you. The higher you go, the more people want to bring you down. Please ignore, be focused, be a go-getter, and go places. Never get swayed by cyberbullying on the internet, on the net. If I were to get distracted myself, I will not be deputy president. You know the way I've been bullied. Online space, in political areas. They were even saying that I didn't know English. But the day I went to debate with Mother Karoa, they knew I am not a joke. But I never got distracted. They were even saying I don't know how to dress. So let me tell you, good people. Let me tell you, good people. Never get distracted by prophets of doom and naysayers and envious people and people with evil hearts. And there are very many. Today I'm focused on assisting President William Ruto to manage the affairs of this great country. Many people, when they see that we are focused and we get along with people of Kenya and they appreciate us, they now call me a tribalist because I have said I want to unite my people. I am focused on uniting my people so that they unite with the rest of Kenya. Because as they say, charity begins at home. And let me say, good people, there is no way Kenya can be united unless we do it the bottom-up approach. You start with the family. Bahati and Diana and your 5 children, you first get united. Then you get united as as content creators. Then you get united as artists. Then you go and unite with footballers. Then you go and unite with other people. And it keeps on growing. And then you unite the rest of the country. But you cannot unite from the top. It cannot work. Much as we are working on the economy bottom up, the unity of Kenya is also bottom up. You start from the family, extended family, the village, the sublocation, the location, the division, the sub-county, the county, the region, and then Kenya. When we say so, people say these are tribalists. Everybody comes from somewhere. And people who talk one language have certain things that are peculiar to them. And people who share a tongue need to share their thoughts using the same tongue. Then they go and join the rest and talk about Kenya. So please never be distracted. I regard Gachagua. My history is like that of Bahati. Bahati, I was an orphan. Today, he is in the world stage. His work will be watched by 222 million people all over the world. Sheer resolve, praying to God, and determination. And never getting distracted, never getting swayed. I was born in a grass-thatched house as a child of Mau Mau freedom fighters. My feet were invested by jiggers. I just learned how to walk well when I came to Nairobi so many years after. But I've never looked back. I believe in myself. And I want to ask you to believe in yourself. Say, believe in yourself. Say, I. Say your name. I believe in myself. Nobody can distract me from what I believe in and where I want to go. And where I want to go, I must go. So help me God. Asante sana. Mimi natakia nyinyi mema. We are proud of you. I am a little bit too busy to do some content creation. But in my earlier days, I was bad news. I was a dramatist and a good actor. And I wrote good scripts and produced them. I want to encourage you people. Please, give it your all. Be great and be proud of your achievement. And you guys are going places. And as a country, we believe in you. I honestly and very sincerely believe in our young people. You are the present and the future. Just take care of yourself. Take good care of your health. Keep off drugs. Make friends. Be mindful of others, people's welfare. And be nice to each other. It will cost you nothing to love your brother and sister. Nothing. Make no enemies, you don't need them. Support each other. The success of your brother is your success. You never know. You never know that a friend of yours who is successful may one day come through for you when you are in trouble. Let us all support each other and believe in yourself. I have really enjoyed myself. The dancing here was very good, and I look forward. And anytime you have an activity like this one, I'm one of you. Though retired in content creation, I still have a few ideas we can share. And I'll be there for you. We admire you guys. You don't know how proud we are of you as a country, as parents. Asanteni sana, na mutakia baraka ya Mwenyezi Mungu. Mungu awalinde, awapende. May you fulfill the desires of your heart. May you be successful. May you shine. May you be great artists. May you have the largest following in the country and in the continent. Thank you very much.